So that looks like it goes to the transmission cooler. Alright, so this might take me a little while, honestly, to remove, because I probably got to take off all of the wires and stuff from this side. Probably some coolant is going to probably come out of this one. Yeah, I'll probably just be jumping from left to right, so just trying to see what else would be easier to pull off. Alright, so this is off. Set it one side. We'll just keep on moving. And now we have a little bit more space where we can actually see what's really going on. Alright, so we have another what is it, 10 down here. Alright, so that's the ground that we just removed. Alright, so we have the starter right here in the way as well. There's a cover for it. I'm just trying to see if, in order to move the whole wire harness, if I need to since the clip is gone, I'm just raising the other piece off it. Alright, so far we have all the bolts that we're looking for, but the bolts that we need to remove are like right off here. So we could basically detach the whole transmission from the engine itself, because remember, this is a 3-cylinder. So before I even do that, and I already cleared this hose out of the way, what I'm gonna make sure to do is in the back, same operation as well. And then, because the only thing I just need to disconnect this, I just don't know how to remove this this one as yet, so I'll figure that out in a minute. And then I might need to remove the engine mount that's down here, and this piece right here, this all a piece of the exhaust. And then once that is done, then honestly I think that should be it, and then we just basically start actually tearing into the transmission. Let's put these 3 hoses down just in case anything tries to. Alright, cool. I think I'm at a good spot. This would be the time when I'll tell you that I wish I had my engine hoist instead of this table, because so I could get to those bolts underneath as well. Alright, so I think I'm kind of in the clear. Yep. So I could start probably loosening a couple of the bolts up top, and then I just work my way to the sides and then see what happens. I know we probably have the transmission cooler, because there's another cooler underneath the transmission, so you have that as well. So as I said before, I'm gonna just slowly work my way down to the bottom. So we'll just take our time. I'm not gonna rush this whole process, so I'll just do it one step at a time.